The first step in preparing to build is of course starting the Joule 3D printer software and making sure it's connected to the printer. Swing out the membrane plate until it clears the printer. Next, we want to raise the build plate to its highest endpoint position. We go into Control and select End Stop. Hit Yes and hit OK. And now the build plate will rise to its topmost home position. This allows the resin tub to be inserted into the printer. Now we select Build Position, which lowers the build plate down into its build position inside the resin tub. Swing the membrane plate back over and pull the tub out just a bit so it can be filled. Using Joule 3D custom resin, we now fill the resin tub. Resin should rise high enough to cover the top ridge in the resin tub. Now we want to plug in the heater to the resin tub so the resin can start heating up to its build temperature of 39 degrees. Once the temperature reaches 37 degrees, more resin will need to be poured into the tub, bringing the level to this line, which will completely saturate the membrane and the build plate with resin. Air bubbles will sometimes get trapped between the membrane and the build plate. To eliminate them, we lift the membrane plate and allow some of the resin to drain. We slowly allow the membrane plate back down into the resin. Doing this several times will eliminate all air bubbles. Now we latch the membrane plate down securely. Once you reach the build plate temperature of 39 degrees, it's time to make a part. To load a part, open File and go into your STL folder. Select an STL file and it will appear on the build plate grid. You can position this part anywhere you would like or add another part. Once you're satisfied with the position of all your parts on the build plate and your temperature is at 39 degrees, you are officially ready to start printing.